Emir of Kufa asked Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu to lead them in prayer. He would lead the people in the prayer, and when he would raise his head from the bowing, he would remain standing as long as I could recite the supplication. Allahumma Rabbana lakal hamdu mil as-samawati wa mil al-ard wa mil ma shi'ta min shay'in ba'du ahla thana'i wal majdi la mani'u lama a'tayta wa la ma'tiya lima man'ata wa la yanfa'u zil jaddi minkal jaddu. Translation: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O our Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, you are worthy of that praise which will fill in the all heavens and the whole earth and the space as much as pleases you. You are the worthy of praise and glorification. None can snatch anything from him whom you bestow anything, and none can grant anything to him from whom you withhold anything, and no effort can bear fruit against you. The reporter says, I read this hadith to Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Layla radiyallahu anhu. He whereupon said that Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu would state, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam would perform the prayer in which the bowing, standing after raising the head from the bowing, prostration and sitting between two prostrations were approximately of equal length. Shoba says, I narrated this hadith to Amr bin Murrah. He whereupon said, I have seen Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Layla radiyallahu anhu, but he would not perform the prayer in this way. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1058.